How to create multiple signatures in Outlook. Open the Outlook app on your computer and click File in the top left corner, then choose Options. In the Outlook Options window, select Mail and then click on the Signatures button. A new window will appear where you can create and manage your signatures. To add a new one, click New, give it a name, and then type in the signature content you want. You can create as many signatures as you need, for example, one for work and another for personal emails. Once created, you can choose a default signature for new messages and another for replies or forwards. If you don't want a default, you can leave it blank and insert a signature manually when composing an email by going to the Message tab, clicking Signature and selecting the one you want. This way, you can switch between multiple signatures depending on the situation, making your emails more flexible and professional. And that's how to create multiple signatures in Outlook. So that's all for this video. I hope this helps. Thank you.